Hello guys and welcome to this new video. In this new video I will be sharing with you how to install React Native Firebase package. I have been trying so hard to install this because it's a little challenging. Yeah, um, unfortunately I couldn't install the latest version because I need to upgrade my Gradle version to the 4 version. Yeah. If I do that, there are some packages that are not ready for that Gradle version, so they will break. And yeah, that's why I decided to just use this version, the version 3.3.1. And yeah, it was very difficult, as I mentioned before. Uh, was very challenging to install this. Um, Thanks to this repository, the React Native Firebase started. Um, I have some ideas about how to set up the package, for example, in Android. Because yeah, you have to do many things in to install this in Android. So yeah, you can just clone the repository and you can take a look at the files here. Here is the repository. And yeah, you can just go back to you can go through the commits to you can go to a previous commit and check the configurations. That's what I did, um, and thank God it worked, right? So yeah, so the first step is to add the dependency. As you can see, I installed the React Native Firebase 3.3.1 version. Yeah, that was the first step, right? So the other step was, let's close this for now. I'll close all of these files so we can just see the files that we need. So Android, let's go to Android. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to, as I mentioned before, to add the dependency to our project, and after that we just need to run the React Native link and React Native Firebase, and that will link the dependency to our project, right? It will add some imports and some configurations, but we'll still need to add some some other configuration required for this package. So when every time you run the React Native link, you will add this React Native Firebase dependency. That's the first configuration that command add to my application. What else? Let's take a look at this file. Yeah, within this file you have to add this. As you can see, I couldn't change the build Gradle for the latest version because there's a dependency. There is yeah, basically I'm breaking a dependency whenever I change the Gradle version to the latest one. So yeah, I decided to just keep this Gradle version because this is the Gradle version that comes by default in React Native. Um, um, yeah, I just added this GMS Google Services dependencies. Yeah, what else within the build Gradle? Also, I modified the build Gradle. The build Gradle. Let me take a look. Yeah, yeah. I added this configuration. I don't know. This is for Firebase. I don't know. I just saw that configuration in the starter kit that I mentioned before. Also, they added this configuration. Um, I'm afraid, yeah, and also we have to change the compile SDK version to the 24 version. Yeah. Um, so you have to add this, you have to add this, you have to change this version. What else? Okay. Yeah. And after that, also the React Native Firebase, this one will be added for you when you run the link command, React Native link command, and you just need to React Native. Let me take. And you just need to add these dependencies. These are the required ones. These one are the optionals. So yeah, there are a lot of dependencies that you can use. So yeah, there are a lot of packages. Let me, yeah, Firebase. Let me show you that in a moment. App, Big Gradle. I think it's this one. Yeah. As you can see, we have ads, we have auth, we have config, crash, database, firestore. We can use all of them, right? But for my for my application, I will just use the auth module and the firestore. So yeah, I just leave those configurations there. Let me set this. What else? Also, you need to download the Google Service .json for your Android application. You just come here to the Android app and put it here. You just put the file here because that's required for the authentication of the React Native Firebase package. What else? Let me take a look. Let me think. Yeah, there's another one very important here, which is the main main application Java. It's very important. So you have to be sure that you have this import because this is the React Native Firebase, the core package. Here you have to import the packages that you are going to use. As I mentioned before, I will use the auth and the firestore packages, but also you can check here if you don't know how to import the other packages available. You can just come here and check the imports. For example, if you need the storage package, you just import this. Yeah, you're ready to move on. So yeah, I just import this, the core React Native library. Yeah, also you need to be sure to add this, the auth package, all the packages that you import here. So I imported the auth and the firestore, so I have to call them here, right? Firebase, firestore, and the auth and the React Native Firebase. This will be added for you, and also this one. Yeah, whenever you run the link command, uh, React Native will add this one as well. You have to add the other dependency that you want to include in your within your React Native setup, right? So yeah, that's basically the files that you need to change in order to get this working in Android. So yeah, remember the main application, the build Gradle, which is under app. Yeah, you have to pull these compiles. Also remember to add this one. And there's another line. Yeah, this one. You have to add this one because otherwise you will get an error. Yeah, those basically are the files that you need to modify. Yeah, that was the installation, the steps to install the package in Android. If you want to install the dependency in iOS, we have to do some stuff. The first step is to go to the let me close this. Okay, you have to go to the iOS directory. You have to copy the Google Service info list. Yeah, that's the first file that you need to copy. Also, you need to go to the terminal. What else? You need to go inside. As you can see, I'm inside of iOS directory. Within this directory, you just have to put pod in it to init a pod file. Yeah, with that command, it will create a pod file for you with some boilerplate code, and basically you just need to put these lines of code. The other boilerplate code you can remove it. You can remove it. Just leave something like this. You just need to start the Firebase core and the packages that you're going to use. In this case, I will use the alpha and the parser, right? So yeah, that's the second step to add the dependencies within your pod file. What else? So yeah, after that you just need to run pod install, and it will install the pods for you. As you can see here, there are some dependencies. Firestore, the core, the auth, analytics, yeah, some dependencies required for the React native Firebase. And yeah, that's the third step to run pod install. What else you need to do here? Okay, also you need to add the let me take a look. Yeah, you need to add the Google service within the Xcode. So yeah, here. Where is my? Oh my gosh, I don't know where is that. So yeah, let me open cd. Let me open yeah, I think it's opened. Let me take a look at something here. No. So yeah, so by default we normally open the Xcode project. So if you open the patient .xcode project directory within your Xcode, yeah, you will have all your files. Actually, I think I don't have that. It's pretty weird because I already added the Google service from here. I just copied the file here through the terminal, and also I added it through here. I click add files, yeah, files, and I just look for the Google service and I just added it, right? Yeah, that's that you need to do. I don't know where I don't have the file here, but I just added it before. So yeah, if you try to compile the application through here, you will get an error. Yeah, what you have to do is to open the patient patient Xcode workspace, because oh my gosh, sorry, because that's the project that you're going to use. So if you click on product and you click on clean and you click on build, uh, it will start compiling the application, right? Yeah, you have to keep in mind that if you want to compile the project, you have to open the the XC workspace, because otherwise it will not work. I don't know why. I just follow the recommendations that I found on the internet. So let's wait for a little bit. Let's see what happens. So I think my emulator is, yeah, my emulator is running here. So hopefully we should be able to run the application in the emulator. So let's see what happens. Yeah, basically those are the steps. I couldn't install the latest version because of the Gradle. The latest Gradle is breaking the React Native vector icons dependency. Yeah, there are some packages that depends in the old Gradle. So yeah, it's a little difficult to upgrade to the latest Gradle version. But let's see what happens. Compiling. I don't know if I can pause the video. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm gonna take a look. No, I can't. So let's wait a little bit for this. Okay. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, also we can try to open the Android Studio, and we can check if the application is working in Android. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, compiling. Okay, let's wait a little bit before to open this Android Studio. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, basically you will get this error. Apple match all linker warning. Yeah, and if you go here, let's take a look at this build settings, build options. What else? What is this thing? Linker. Something will link it. Yeah, it's this one. It's this one. Other linking flags. Yeah, but this is strange because this should be working. So let me take a look at. Okay. So yeah, looks like I opened the Passion X Code project. Oh my gosh. So uh, so be sure to open the Passion.xc workspace uh, project, because this has the configurations that you need in order to get this working. So yeah, let's try to run this again. Hopefully this will work. Oh, let's open the, oh my gosh, I closed the Android Studio. Okay, it says the build is succeed, as you can see. So it's launching the application. So trust in me. So trust me. If you run the other project, you will get an error. But if you use the XC workspace, the application will compile and will start normally. So this is taking a little bit. Okay. Now it's compiling and now the application is ready. So let's close this and let's open the Android emulator. Let's check and let's check this out. So Android, okay, ATP. As you can see, an error with a linker related related with a linker. Uh, I don't know what does that error means, but you have to open the XC workspace. What is the name of this thing? Oh my gosh. Yeah, XC workspace. Yeah, that's the project that you need to open in Xcode in order to run the application without errors. So what else we need to do here? We need to wait a little bit for this emulator. As you can see, it is compiling. It is compiling the project. I will turn on the emulator. I think it's reloading. It's rebooting the device is rebooting. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. Sorry about this. You can just move the video forward and see the final results. Okay, I don't know why this little boy is not working. Let me close the simulator. Okay, okay, now it's starting. Oh my god, 100 years after. 100 years later. So let's go to our project. Let's go here. And let's run React Native run Android. yeah, I think we are ready to launch the application. So let's React Native run Android. And let's wait a little bit more. Let's wait 100 years again. 100 years, one more time. I added something in the application in order to check the. Let me take a look. No, I can't. I can't share any code, but there's a way to check if the module is working. Yeah, hopefully if everything compiles correctly, you will be able to see the application running. So let's wait a little bit. Taking forever, my friend. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's still loading the bundle. It's a little heavy. After you install those dependencies, it will be a little heavy. Yeah, that's why you need to. That is why you need to be sure to just install the required dependencies. As you can see, I'm just importing just these two dependencies and the Firebase dependency. Yeah, and now it's working. So yeah, that was all. Yeah, hopefully this will work for you as well. Let me record the package JSON that we are using here. Yeah, we are using React Native 0.55.1, and the Firebase is this one, 3.3.1. Yeah. Okay. See ya, guys.